Welcome back, history buffs. Today we're diving into the shadows of the past to uncover the 5 deadliest wars in history, ranked from the least to the most devastating in terms of human life lost. Prepare to be astonished by the scale of these conflicts and their lasting impacts on our world. All right, let's get started with our countdown of the deadliest wars in history. Buckle up, because this journey through time is going to be intense. Starting off our list at number 5, the Korean War. This conflict raged from 1950 to 1953 and resulted in approximately 2.5 million deaths. It was a brutal clash between North Korea, supported by China and the Soviet Union, and South Korea, backed by United Nations forces led by the United States. The war ended in an armistice, leaving Korea divided and tensions simmering to this day. Coming in at number 4, we have the Vietnam War, lasting from 1955 to 1975 with an estimated death toll of 3.5 million. This contentious war pitted North Vietnam and its communist allies against South Vietnam and the United States. It was a war that ignited massive protests and left deep scars on both countries, reshaping American foreign policy and public opinion. At number 3, the Great War, or World War I, resulted in an estimated 15 million deaths. Known for its trench warfare and horrific battles, this conflict involved many of the world's major powers. It led to significant political changes and laid the groundwork for future conflicts, forever altering the landscape of Europe. Taking the second spot, World War II was the deadliest conflict in history, with death toll estimates ranging from 70 to 85 million. This global war involved the vast majority of the world's nations, marked by significant events like the Holocaust and the use of atomic bombs. The war reshaped borders, economies, and international relations, establishing a new world order. And finally, at number 1, the Taiping Rebellion in China, with an estimated 20 to 30 million deaths. This massive civil war erupted between the Qing dynasty and the Taiping Heavenly Kingdom. It was one of the deadliest conflicts in history, leading to immense suffering and significant changes within China, weakening the Qing dynasty and paving the way for future upheavals. These wars not only claimed millions of lives, but also reshaped nations and the world as we know it. History often repeats itself, reminding us of the importance of peace and understanding. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more historical deep dives. Comment below on which war surprised you the most. Until next time, keep exploring the past.